Hello everyone, my name is Dmitry. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to spend some time again talking about the AI agent, AI, because I'm very curious about this topic. I'm very excited how big it can become in the nearest future. And in this particular video, I just want to spend some time and share my thoughts on a tools topic for agentic system. Because you remember 2 video ago, I recorded agent explanation video, and tools uh, take very important place in the whole agentic architecture. Because to get max value from AI agent, you have to give it tools so it can be more effective. It can help you be more productive on your workplace. And so when I talk about the tools, I mean something that we use every day as humans. So, and now, very important part of our tool set is the software, so SaaS products that we use every day. So, and SaaS products can be, we have a CRM system to manage leads. We have dashboard tools to see how our marketing spend goes. We have the Slack where we can communicate with our teams. Or we have even the task manager that allow us manage tasks better. All these tools that we invented, we call usually SaaS, software as a service, because if we will take a look on the history, 20 years ago, the internet barely was a thing, and everything was local at that time, 20 years ago. Because you have your computer, you have a software, you install it locally, and you just do your thing. And once internet take place, we switch from the local to more some to doing everything in the internet. And so instead of buying software, we switch the mindset to renting software. And now most of the SaaS application is subscription based application. It's changed everything. It created multi-trillion different market opportunities for different companies. We have SaaS almost for everything. We have CRMs, 100 different CRMs, 100 different dashboard platform, 100 different marketing platform. Any idea you can think of, it's already SaaS exists for this. And so as I mentioned, it just changed everything. It changed how quickly we can move as a humans to do our work, because you don't need anymore write a software, some custom software to do some little piece of your job. You can find the person who already did that, and you rent this person's solution, and you do your solution better because you don't spend time on some redundant stuff. And so it changed everything. And now and it's been for 20 years now where we started thinking and working on SaaS products. And today's businesses, every businesses rely on this dozen of software that they rented. CRM here, sales here, marketing here, all this distributed across different systems. It's very complicated because we as a humans, we have very limited attention. And anytime we need to switch this attention, and we do it every day, every time, we spend too much time and too much energy on this. It's a big problem. So now we don't have a single place where we can manage everything. Because usually in a company, if you work in tech, you probably have 2 different task managers, 3 different chat apps, 3 CRMs, whatever. And it creates a lot of problems. It creates more destruction because you have one piece in this system, other piece in that system. It's just inconvenient. So we used to live like that, but it's not convenient. And again, these tools is for productivity increasing. And when we're talking about SaaS increase our productivity drastically. But when we start talking and looking on a new opportunity that AI agents we can create for us, it can move our productivity score, the way we work and the way we achieve some success doing the task, do day by day job on a different level. It can easily move it on a different level. Because the way I see AI agents is a you will have in the future, in the next 5-10 years, let's say, we will have the super assistants. It's like super apps, and all the software embedded in this assistant. We still so because everybody talking that the agent will replace the software, vertical AI agents will replace software. I don't think so, because you the chat interface is not convenient for us because UI is a very crucial part of the uh, human interaction with the software. Because when you open, let's say, the Salesforce, you see this kind of leads, companies. You can memorize everything. You can memorize all your customers if you have 100 different customers. But you can take a look on the card, and some thought came in your mind, and you now remember it, and you can just now send email. And it's very very important that you have all these kind of reminders in this software using the UI and interacting with the app. And I think it's a very crucial part of how we interact with the tools. And I think the chat interface won't replace it because it's just not convenient. Because for you, it's easy to see on the card, see drop down options, set up something with drop down options rather than just dictate it or pronounce it or type it. And so my thoughts how AI agent and software will live together in the future. We will have different super assistants. Is like the system that consolidate everything. And my assumption is gonna be Anthropic Chat GPT, something from Facebook, maybe even Perplexity, who knows? And they will aggregate and consolidate everything. Imagine that super assistant that has access to 100 different tools that you use every day: Gmail, Calendar, Salesforce, Slack, Notion, whatever you can imagine, whatever you use, imagine that AI agent has access to it. But not only access to it, but also ability to display you in a simple view UI for each application independently. So you ask, for example, how many leads were closed, how many leads I need to send email today, and instead of just writing you down the text of these leads, just show you cards, what you can easily uh, see, understand, take emails, or even ask the agent, can you send them emails? And the agent prepares a specific form with emails, not text, but form, UI form, that you can just click simply send, it will send it. So, and I think it's a very crucial part because the interaction with the agent is a UI plus text. It both they cannot live without each other. Using the text all the time is super inconvenient. You have to have a UI. And my vision that in the future, all the software application that now currently exist, they will be in another view. They won't die. They will build the APIs, very convenient for AI agent to call. All the functions that they currently support, they will have as a agentic friendly API, and each API will be with a UI form that agent can leverage as well. And so I assume it's going to be some new different protocol that when developer calls the API, it also brings a form. But I think it's the approach that I am personally looking for, because when I use ChatGPT, I wish I have all my app that I currently using every day. The Google Calendar, the chats, everything, just to be able to manage everything using the chat. Because anytime someone send me email or message, whatever, I send it to ChatGPT. GPT explain me the main meaning of the message, and it draft me an answer. So it is a way I already built my workflow, and I just want to continue doing that. And I just want to, my GPT knows about everything that I have in my other apps. I want to GPT knows about my company. I just want to GPT knows about all the chat and style of communication that I use, and help me out with all these different stuff that currently manual. And I think it's a very crucial part of the AI agents and how they gonna be embedded, because nobody want to have many different systems, because you don't want to use, you want to use Google, because just Google just is a very very simple way how you can access to different information, different websites. And you don't need 10 different Googles, right? You just need a Google that works and do a job perfectly. And I think we will have the same with a super agentic system that will consolidate all these different tools inside each other with a beautiful UI. And all the software that currently exists, they will switch the mindset, and they will start build the APIs friendly for agents, and they will start building some embedded software. We're not there yet, not quite close, I would say, but I think we definitely will be there in the next few years. Yeah, so just decided to share thoughts because tools is a topic that I'm very excited about, and I want to even contribute on this topic, and I'm working towards it. And so if you have any opinions about the tools, how to make it more accessible to AI agents, if you've heard about the MCP protocol before, you can reach to me out, we can discuss it, because I'm very excited about this. In the next video, probably I will record about the MCP protocol. MCP protocol is like very convenient way how you can add any tools to your agentic system. It's already it's by Anthropic. It's already have quite big community infrastructure of tools that you can easily integrate to any agentic system. And I will just do how to video to you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. I hope it was at least interesting. Yeah, bye.